Will Shiba Inu survive the bear market? Hello everybody, my name is Sanad and welcome to another episode of The Clever Millionaire. Before we get started, I would appreciate it if you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Also check out the links in the description box below for some free crypto, some free stocks, and a great way to save some money on your car insurance. Meme coins in the bull run of 2021 made a lot of people millionaires. But some meme coins were total scams, total rug pulls, and a lot of people lost a ton of money. But Shiba was the one that made a ton of people filthy rich. But a lot of people have been asking me, bro, will Shiba survive the bear market? Should I start buying Shiba right now? In today's video, I will cover a couple of topics, and at the end of this video, I will give you my honest opinion on Shiba and if I'll be buying Shiba in the bear market. So make sure you watch the video until the very end. And remember, this is just my personal opinion. This is definitely not financial advice. Make sure to do your own research and do what is right for your portfolio. Shiba Inu was literally the biggest meme coin of 2021, and it got worldwide recognition. People all over the world were buying Shiba Inu. Famous people, big Ethereum whales, literally rich and poor were all buying Shiba Inu. Since the all-time highs of 2021, Shiba Inu had a major retracement, pretty much following the entire crypto market. When Bitcoin is falling, when Ethereum is falling, when all the altcoins are falling, best believe Shiba Inu and all the other meme coins are going to be falling as well. And when we take a look at Shiba right now, it is down just over 6% on the day. And the market cap is $6.3 billion. And is currently ranked number 16 on CoinMarketCap. When we take a look at the chart, you will see that over the last month or so, Shiba Inu has been trending lower. But when we zoom out to the all-time chart, you will see that Shiba was pretty flat, had a massive rally, then followed by a massive correction, then pretty much settled for a couple months before another explosive rally. I personally believe that Shiba Inu will trend even lower before it starts consolidating again. And now let's talk about one of the biggest reasons on why I believe that Shiba Inu will survive the bear market, and that is the community. Shiba Inu has one of the most vibrant, active communities that I have seen in crypto. The Shiba army is very strong and they are very active. They are all over the place, from Twitter to YouTube to Reddit to TikTok. Shiba army is literally everywhere. And I believe that is a huge positive for the long term. We have all heard about the Bitcoin maxis and the XRP army. Projects that have cult-like following, they tend to do very good in the long term. As of right now, Shiba Inu has over 1.1 million holders, and that number is constantly growing. With over 1 million holders, Shiba Inu is holding strong. Also guys, some of the biggest whales in the world, guess what they have in their wallets? Some Shiba Inu. And a lot of these whales have not sold any of their Shiba. They're simply diamond handing it to wherever it goes. And in my opinion, that is a very bullish sign for Shiba. If these big whales, they have portfolios that are worth 200 million, 500 million, if they have millions and millions of dollars in Shiba and they're not selling, I believe something big is planned for Shiba Inu in the long term. And I believe next bull run, Shiba will perform amazingly well. Also, Shiba Inu has one of the biggest followings on Twitter. Over 3.3 million followers, which is definitely impressive. I also believe that meme coins played a huge part in getting people to invest into crypto. During the big rallies of 2021, I had hundreds of people come up to me and ask, bro, should I buy some Shiba Inu? Should I buy some Dogecoin? Nobody asked me about Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any of these other big popular projects. Everyone was asking about Shiba and Dogecoin. People that didn't know anything about crypto, never bought any cryptocurrency, never held Bitcoin, Ethereum, or anything else. their number one focus was jumping into these meme coins in the hopes of making it big and making millions and millions of dollars. So from the thousands of different meme coins that were created last year, I believe Shiba Inu has the best chance to survive the bear market. If I was a betting man, I would be betting on Shiba Inu. As you guys know, Dogecoin was the original meme coin. And in the bull run of 2017 and 18, Dogecoin did pretty well. Literally had no utility whatsoever, but the community kept it alive. And come this bull run, Dogecoin had one of the biggest rallies in Dogecoin history. And I believe Shiba Inu can do the exact same thing. This bull run, Shiba had a massive run. But I believe next bull run, Shiba is going to have an even bigger run, especially with the burn. Dogecoin does not have a burn feature, and there's constantly new Dogecoin being created. Shiba, on the other hand, has a burn feature, and more Shiba tokens are being burned. And I believe they're going to continue to burn tokens during the entire bear market. And come next bull run, there's going to be a way smaller supply of Shiba Inu, and I believe this can cause Shiba Inu to have one of the biggest rallies in history. And finally, development. As you guys know, when the entire market is pumping, when everything is going to the moon, a lot of projects are developing a ton of stuff. They come up with these great ideas that they're going to develop, and then as soon as the bear market comes, development stops. In my opinion, this is a great way to tell if a project is going to survive the bear market. If the team and the developers completely stop developing, best believe that project is not going to survive the bear market. But if the developers continue to develop and they continue to improve and grow the project, I believe that is a very good sign for the long term. When development stops, projects die. Over the last 6 months, the price of Shiba Inu has trended lower and lower, but development is still happening. They are developing the Shiba Metaverse, and in my opinion, this is going to be very good for the Shiba community for the long term. The more the community is engaged, the more development there is, the better the odds that the project will survive the bear market. I am a Shiba Inu holder, and I believe this Metaverse is going to be very positive for the project and the entire community as well. And now to answer the most important question, will I be buying Shiba Inu in the bear market? My answer is absolutely yes. I will be accumulating even more Shiba in the bear market, and especially as the price continues to drop even lower. But being completely honest, I haven't bought any Shiba Inu over the last couple of months. But I am holding on to all the Shiba that I do have. But as the price continues to go lower and as we get deeper into this bear market, I will be accumulating even more Shiba. Alright everybody, that concludes this video. Let me know in the comment section below, do you believe that Shiba Inu will survive the bear market? And as always, check out the links in the description box below for some free crypto, some free stocks, and a great way to save some money on your car insurance. Smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Peace out.